Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android is unlocked and on the home screen. Next, open the app drawer or use search to find the app you want as a shortcut. You need the app icon visible. Once found, long press the app icon until a menu or lift animation appears. This step triggers the system's shortcut placement mode, so make sure you feel the haptic or see a contextual menu before dragging. Doing this now saves time in later placement steps. With the icon active, drag it to the home screen page and position it where you want it to appear. You'll see grid highlights indicating valid slots. Once you drop the icon, Android pins the shortcut there. If the app offers widget options, press and hold to select size, then confirm placement. To organize, drag one shortcut onto another to form a folder and name it. Make sure to leave space for commonly used apps so navigation stays quick and tidy. Now test the shortcut. Tap it and ensure it opens the intended app or activity. Because some apps provide multiple shortcuts, pick the right one. If the icon won't stick, your launcher may restrict placements. Try placing on another page or recreate via the app settings or widget menu. If issues persist, clear the launcher's cache or restart the device to refresh system state. That usually resolves placement glitches and lets you try again with a clean slate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.